Hey there, I'm Chris,
And I'm Ben.
and we're with Swartz Restoration. We're here in Arlington, Ohio, to let you know that if you experience any sort of water damage in your home or business, we're here for you. Maybe it's a leaky faucet that saturates your floor. Maybe it's a water supply line that breaks on your washing machine or your dishwasher, and the water leaks down to your basement. Maybe it's a sump pump backing up. Or maybe it's a storm rolling through the area, leaving your house with all sorts of water damage. We're here to help you dry out, clean up, and rebuild after the fact.
Absolutely. You know, we've been in business for over 36 years, and it's always been our goal, our heart, our mission to care for people that are suffering from water damage, fire damage, storm damage. We have a heart to care for people who are experiencing these certain types of losses in their homes or their businesses. So if you find yourself suffering from one of these different types of losses, feel free to call us at 419-331-1024 for 24-hour service, or check us out on our website at swartzrestoration.com.